In front of me is TECNO Spark 20C, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store. Following that, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Like that. Then get this free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flare to Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!